What's up, YouTube? Today we're just going to do a little unboxing of this 135th Sweden Strv 103C main battle tank. This is not the main battle tank anymore of Sweden's army. They have upgraded to one of the Leopards. But hey, it looks like a cool kit. Doesn't have a turret or anything. It looks pretty cool, so why not we go ahead and get started. The LAV, the light armored vehicle, will be coming to you shortly, completed. Just have to get my airbrush in to complete it. My badger broke on me, kind of upset, but hey, they have good staff. They said send it in, we'll fix it, so soon get that in and get finished. But let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Now y'all can go ahead and see this has not been taken out of the box yet, so I'm just gonna pull it off camera and cut open the box. Get open all this plastic. I like how Trumpeter wraps this model in plastic. Really helps me know that no one got in here, no one could stole any parts. What they did, pretty smart masterminds. They know how to put the plastic back on without tearing it up to shreds. But boom, it's completed. It's out of the box. Let's go ahead and open it up. Nice slow finish. Boom. Part is off. Part is off. Now if y'all want to see real fast, I'll go ahead and bring it around the box. Just a picture of it. Another pretty much box cover art. Painting pattern. Comes from Steven the International. 14 plus. Pretty much it. This just has a little description of it. I'll take a picture of it if y'all want to read it. Some people out there do. Let's get started. First of all, I like to start off with the instructions. So we'll go with the instructions first. Put the camera a little bit. Get right there. We go. So you open it up. Pretty basic start. They want to start with the suspension and road wheels and go ahead and get the tracks on. Upper hull now on, oh wait, no, that's page 7. 1 second. Right here. So you're connecting the tracks, start with road wheels. Okay. And now you get onto that. Now you start working on upper hull and part 7. Pretty much part 1 through 6 looks pretty simple. And then you start adding more details when you get to parts 8, 9, 10. Start working on it. A lot more details starting to be added on part 12 and 16. Just a whole bunch of basic stuff, making the tank look like a tank. Get down. Now you start to put. Now you put the turret on, not the turret, but the cannon or the gun or whatever they call it. Then you add the upper hull to the lower hull. Some finishing up touches. Adding them on. Adding on the side skirts. Finishing up the side skirts. On page on number 25, you're adding the other side skirt. Finishing up on that side skirt, adding antennas, and then putting on a couple other things, and then you finish onto the painting. One thing I do not like about the paint guide, it's not in color. I hate when people on companies do that, but whatever. It's not a big deal. I just look on the page on the front. Probably shows the colors, but that's in black and white, so it's gonna be a little bit harder to read. Let's go ahead and get on to the actual review of this massive beast. We'll start off right here with the tracks. Push that forward. Basic rubber band tracks. Looks pretty good. Looks like a pretty good detail on it. That's pretty good. Let's see if we can find the other one in here. No, it's kind of hidden, so we'll put that over to the side. Next, we got the upper hull and the top of it and stuff. We all got, I'll take that out of it so you can see it. Take that out of the plastic. Love taking stuff out of plastic. Throw that on the floor. I have a trash can next to me, like usual. I'll zoom out for y'all to see it again. Sorry, I'm filming this off my phone, so if it looks a little bad, it's because I only have cell phone to film it, so yeah. Comes with an option for a dozer blade. I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna do the dozer blade option, just because I don't feel like doing the dozer blade option. On pictures I see, I didn't see one with the dozer blade, but hey, it's up to y'all. Y'all make the decision. You want the dozer blade. It looks like it's pretty good detail. Dozer blade good detail. It's pretty good molding. Got the second vinyl track. Looks nice. Very nice. Next we got the side skirt, it looks like, and the sprockets. Go ahead. It looks like it's one side and the other side has the other one. So probably a two-part one. Yeah. Looks pretty good. Looks like a really good molding. I like Trumpeter's molding. This will be my second Trumpeter kit ever, so I'm pretty excited. And this one looks like it to be the road wheels. I can get the, there we go. Road wheels and the little poly caps to make it RC-able. Turn to an RC. I will definitely not gonna turn this into an RC. Not an RC guy, but hey, some of y'all out there, you go make it an RC. But yeah, it's got the road wheels. Yeah, looks pretty good. The poly caps over there as well. Yeah. Next part, we got the lower hull. Not a huge tank, definitely not a huge tank, but looks like a little fun tank to build. No real molding detail on the bottom. It's all right. No one's really looking under there. Pretty basic, but hey, basic's good. Less complicated. Your last little baguettes. I was mistaken. That one I said has two of them is a double copy. It is not true. It only comes in one. Sorry for the inconvenience, but hey, this looks like to be just some fine detail. Exhaust right here. Oh, look at that. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get y'all. Look at that, the detail on that. That's pretty good molding. You can hear it. That's pretty cool. Good job on that, Trumpeter. And then we got last one. We got some decals. I'm not gonna take that out because I'll probably end up ruining them. I do, but it's some little decals. Overall, looks like it's gonna be a fun kit. Can't wait to get started on the build. Any questions? Go ahead and comment it at the bottom of the video, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started building. So, peace.